Are you considering purchasing a condo or a townhouse? While these types of properties can offer great convenience and amenities, it's important to understand the potential financial responsibilities that come with them. One such responsibility is a special assessment, which can impact both buyers and sellers in a homeowners association development. In this video, I will explain to you what is a special assessment and why it is important to both buyers and sellers of a condo or townhouse. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes, and I'm a local real estate agent in the Union County, New Jersey area, specializing in condos and townhomes. You are probably watching this video right now because you're thinking about making a move into or out of a condo or townhouse. You've heard this term special assessment, but you don't know what it is. Special assessments are additional fees that homeowners in a condo or townhouse community may be required to pay for certain unexpected expenses that may arise. These expenses could range from major repairs to major components of a community like roofs, elevators, or parking garages, or to address legal issues. HOAs are responsible for maintaining common areas and ensuring that the property value is maintained, and they use the fees collected from the homeowners for these purposes. However, if the expenses exceed the HOA's reserves, then they may decide to levy a special assessment on homeowners to cover the additional cost. For prospective buyers, special assessments can have a significant impact on the affordability of the property. If a special assessment is levied, the homeowner will be responsible for paying their share of the cost, which can be thousands of dollars. This can be particularly problematic for buyers who have already stretched their budget to afford the home in the first place. On the other hand, special assessments can also have an impact on sellers in an HOA development. If a special assessment has been levied, the seller may need to disclose this information to potential buyers, which could affect their willingness to purchase the property. Additionally, the seller may be responsible for paying their share of the special assessment before the sale can be completed, which could reduce the amount of money they receive from the sale. To avoid the potential impact of special assessments, it's important for buyers to carefully review the HOA documents before making an offer on a property. This will allow them to get a better understanding of the community's financial health and whether any special assessments are planned or have been levied in the past. Additionally, buyers should consider working with a real estate agent who is experienced in HOA communities and can provide guidance throughout the buying process. In conclusion, special assessments can have a significant impact on both buyers and sellers in an HOA development. Buyers should be aware of the potential for special assessments and review the HOA documents carefully before making an offer on a property. Sellers should also be prepared to disclose any special assessments and understand their financial responsibilities before completing a sale. That wraps up my exploration of special assessments. I hope this video sheds light on the crucial aspects of condo and townhouse ownership. Remember, being knowledgeable about special assessments and understanding the reserve fund is key to making informed decisions in the real estate market. If you need any additional assistance on your home buying or selling journey, please reach out to me. I would love to help you out. My name is Camille Haynes, and I'm here to make sure your home buying or selling journey is a successful one. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable insights. Take care.